Classic schnitzel with creamy mushroom sauce is one of those recipes that when I created it, I was so incredibly excited. It is the best creamy mushroom sauce I've ever tasted. These schnitzels are so incredibly easy to make and super cheap. We are going to get started on making the crumbs. So we want to put our Parmesan cheese in a dry mixer bowl. And we're gonna blend that up. We've set our schnitzel stuff aside and we're going to get started on the sauce. So we're going to add our garlic to the mixer bowl, but we don't have to wash it. We're going to add our butter and our mushrooms. And we saute that for 3 minutes. And we're going to add a little bit of wine now. And we're going to saute that off a little bit more. Our mushrooms are smelling amazing, and I'm going to add the remaining ingredients except for the lemon and the cheese. So we have a little bit of water going in, chicken stock concentrate, Dijon mustard, white pepper, a little bit of cream, and some corn flour. 5 minutes. To finish off our sauce, we simply stir through our reserved Parmesan cheese and a small amount of lemon juice. Look at how good that sauce looks.
Yum. Oh, that was such a big one.
There's just so much flavour with such simple ingredients. So easy to get on the dinner table. There's no way anyone's going to say that this is not one of the best pork schnitzels with mushroom sauce they've ever had. Bloody hell, it's so good.